Hello dear students, just I am continuing the chapter matrix 3.2 exercise. Okay, so last time we will we have completed what up to the question 14. So here question 15, the solution. Question 15 is given. Find just expression, matrix expression where a square minus 5a plus 6i. We have to compute a square minus 5a plus 6i, where a is given as 201, 213, 201, 213 and 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, we have to compute this matrix polynomial, matrix expression. Just here, this is also a matrix because a square, a is of order 3 by 3, so a square also having order 3 by 3 and a 3 by 3 and 6 into I unity, that is unit matrix of order 3 by 3. To define, just we will take I 3 by 3. So here first of all we require what? A is this, I will be of like this. What? We will take like this 3 by 3, 3 by 3, and we require a square. Just a square into a is equals to, we have to find this first. Because there are a square, a and I and a square, a into a. So first of all we require a square. We see that a square equals to what? A into a, that is matrix A into matrix A. Just first of all find a square by matrix multiplication. 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 0, 1 minus 1 and 1, 3, 0. This first matrix, same second matrix, 2, 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 0. Just we can multiply it using what? Row by column. Here 3 columns, so 3 times you have to write. But just here, this column go to this column, row. So 2 into this into this, this into this, this into this, like this, in each row. So what? 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. This is first part. Again this go to here. So 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Again this go to here. 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. This is first part. Second part, this multiply to here 3 times. So what? 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Okay. So same process. 2, 1, 3. Yes. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. So 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. This is second time. And third time also, just write here. Okay. Third time. Third column, go to row wise, this. So here 2001, now 130. So 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Also 213, 130. 2 into 1 into 3, 213 into 0. Similarly here 1 minus 1 0. 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. This is matrix multiplication. Okay. Row by column. So 3 times. First time, second time, third time. Just for first row, first column, second column, third column. Go to here. One by one. So just calculate it. What is the value? 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. And here, what? 2 minus 2, 0 and 0. This is 0. Because 2 minus 2, 0 and this. Here 0, 0, minus 1. 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2. 0, 0, minus 1. Now 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, 5 and 1 minus 3 minus 2. So this is a square by using multiplication, a square. Now we can compute a square minus 5a plus 6a. Now, a square minus 5a plus 6i is equals to, just write a square here first. 590, 590, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 5, minus 2, 2, 5, minus 2. Minus 5 into a, it is given. 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. Plus 6, I of this order. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is I. Okay. Now we have to calculate this addition subtraction. Okay. So here this is equals to, we see that just we can write direct 5 minus 10 plus 6 first in one step. Okay, just we can do it in one step or in two step also. Just after multiplication, and then you can write it. But you can direct do this 5 minus 10 plus 6, and this element 9 minus 1 minus 1 plus 0, or you can write also minus 5 into 0 0 and 0. Here 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 minus 5 plus 0. Just you can write in one step. 9 minus 10, no, 9, because 5 multiplied to each element. Okay, so just you can write 9 minus 10 plus 0, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6, 5 minus 15 plus 0. Just write 0 minus 5 plus 0, minus 1 minus minus plus 5 0. Minus 2 minus 0 plus 6. Okay, you can write direct also like this. So this is equals to 1. So very simple. Just write the value. 5, 6, 11 minus 10, 1. 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 7 plus 6 minus 1 4 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 10 4. So this is the value of this expression. Okay, so value is 1 minus 1 minus 3, 1 minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4 minus 5 4 4. So this is the value. Its value is this. So for computing matrix polynomial or matrix expression, just you have to find first power terms, a square, aq, and then use identity matrix also, and use all the values, all the matrix values of all the matrix, and just add and subtract. Then you can get the value. Okay, this is the question 15. Now take question 16. Question 16 is what? If a equal to this, then prove that. Here question 16, same type of questions is there. Okay, what? 3 by 3 order matrix is given here. The 16 given A equals to what? 3 by 3 order matrix is given. A equals to 1 0 2 0 2 1, 1 0 2 0 2 1, and 2 0 3 2 0 3. So this is 3 by 3 order matrix. Okay, and then prove that. We have to show that we have to show that AQ here third degree minus 6a square plus 7a. 6a square plus 7a plus 2i plus 2i. This is equals to 0 matrix. Just we have to show that this. That is left hand side. Just we have to find the value of left hand side, and we will get 0 matrix of order 3 by 3. So here first of all we are requiring value AQ. AQ can be found how? A into A square into A. That is A into A into A. So just first find A square. We see that A square equals to A into A. A into A. A, just A. Okay, yes, fine. A 102, 021, 203, and also here 102, 021, 203. Just we can write it directly by calculating. What? 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4. Similarly, 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2, plus 0 into 0, 0, plus 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Similarly, 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Just this multiplied. This is multiplied to here. This is multiplied to here. Just 0 plus 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 into 0, 0. It's 2, 0, 0. Here 0, 0, 2, 0. Just 0 plus 0 plus 0. Similarly, this line multiplied to here. So 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, plus 0 into 1, 0, plus 2 into 3, 6. And 0 into 2, 0, plus 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 3, 3. Here 2 into 2, 4, plus 0 into 1, 0, plus 3 into 3, 9. Just this is multiplication, row by column. So this is equals to what? You see here 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. This is A square. Just we find A square. So here we can write A square equals to 5 to 8, 5 to 8, 0 4 0, 0 4 0, 8 5 13, 8 5 13. This is A square. Okay, and A cube. A square into A. That is this. We can find what A square? 5 0 8, 2 4 5, 8 0 4. 8 0 13, 5 8 5 8 4 0 5 2. Okay, so A is this 1 0 2 1 0 2 0 2 0 0 2 0 2 1 3 2 1 3. Just we have to calculate this way. We can direct calculate here. This is A square. Just writing here A square. AQ equals to A square into A. A square is this and A is this. Just write direct value using this rule. 1 into 1 5 plus this column go to here. So 1 into 5 plus 0 plus 16 21. You can write 5 plus 16 and again this go to here. So 2 plus 0 plus 10 12. Okay, similarly 1 into 8 8 plus 26 34. So just you can write 34. Just write directly. Now 0 to 0. This column go to here. So 0 0 to 0. So 0 0 here 0. So this is 0. Now this go to here. So 0 0 8 8. Now this go to here. So 0 0 and 0 0. This is 0. Now 2 1 3. 2 1 3 is here. 2 5 into 2 10. 10 plus 10 plus 24 34. Now here 4 plus 4 8 plus 15 23. And here again 16 plus 26. 16 plus 26 42. So this is 42. So just you can find by this method AQ is also AQ. So this is AQ, this is A square, this is A, and I will be what? 3 by 3 unit matrix. So we can calculate left hand side and also right hand side is a zero matrix. So now we have to calculate this. Okay. So here 508 245 8013. Just see AQ is what? 34 23 55 080 21 12 34. So here just see 39 plus 16 55 is there. Sorry, 55. This is 55. Okay, just multiply and add row column, so you can get this. Now left hand side equals to what? AQ minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2Y. So you can write this A cube, A cube 21 12 34, 21 12 34, 0 8 0, 34 23 34 23 55. So this is the value of AQ minus 6A square. A square is this 508 508 24 5 80 13 plus 7A 102 021 203 plus 2I. So 2I I 111 0 0 0 0 0 0 3 by 3 unit matrix. Just we have to solve this. What? 21, 12, 34, 0, 8, 0, 34, 23, 55, minus multiply by 6. So 30, 0, 48, 12, 24, 30, 48, 0, 78. Also here multiplied by 7. So just multiply to each element. 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7, 14, 0, 21. Here just also multiply 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. Now calculate it. Just write in a single matrix. 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. Just corresponding elements are added or subtracted with sign. Okay, 34 minus 48 minus plus 0 14 plus 0. This first element. In place of 0, 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. Similarly, 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2, 0. Just this element. 0, then minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Clear? Now, this element 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. 55 minus 48, 55 minus 48, no, minus 78, 78 plus 21 plus 2. Just see now. This is 7 to 9, 9 on 30, 30 to 0. This is 0. 12 minus 12, 0. 34 minus 4, 4, 4, 8, 48, 0. Similarly here, 0. 14, 16, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 0. Is right hand side. Hence proved. Clear? Hence proved. Just calculate all values first, AQ, A square, then AQ, and then just put all the values in the matrix, then you can subtract it. Okay? Addition and subtraction, multiply, then addition and subtraction, corresponding elements, you can get 0 matrix, that is 0 matrix, right hand side. Okay. Now, 17. So, question 17 here, just we have to find the value of k it is given that a square equal to k minus 2i. Here a and I is given. I is 2 by 2 matrix. Just very simple calculation for this. You can find the value of k, because here matrix equation is given just like a square equals to k constant a minus 2i, and a is given also, I is given, unit matrix of 2 by 2, order, that is square matrix of order 2, unit matrix of order 2. So here question 17. Given a square minus a square equals to, what is given? A square equals to k minus 2i, k constant, a minus 2i. We have to find the value of k. Here a equals to, where a is given matrix 3 4 minus 2 2, 3 4 minus 2 minus 2, and I is given 2 by 2 unit matrix. This is given, just we have to find k. A square is required, so a square we can write a into a equals to ka plus 2i. Just write here a 3 4 minus 2 2, 3 4 minus 2 minus 2, again 3 4 minus 2 minus 2, k constant a 3 minus 2, 3 4 minus 2 minus 2, and here minus 2i, I equals to 1 1 0 0. Okay, so this just put value, now multiply. Okay, so what will be here? This column go to here, so 3 3 into 9 minus 8, 12 minus 8, same, this line go to here, so minus 2 minus 6 minus minus plus 4 minus 8 minus minus plus 4, this, okay, minus 8 plus 4, just column go to row wise. Okay, right hand side constant, just multiply this constant to inner side, so we get 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k. Here just multiply, so we can get like this. Left side getting what? 9 minus 8 1, minus 6 4, minus 2, here 8, 12 minus this 4, here minus 4, this is equals to, just subtract it, so 3k minus 2, 2k minus 0, 4k minus 0, 2k minus 2. Comparing on both sides, equal matrix, both matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal, so 1 equals to what? 1 equals to 3k minus 2, minus 2 equals to minus 2k, and 4 equals to 4k, and minus 4 equals to minus 2k minus 2, equating corresponding elements, equating corresponding elements. Okay, just solve it. We can see that here k equals to 1, here k equals to 1, here k equals to 1, here k equals to 1. So the value of k is 1. Finally, value of k is 1. In all cases, we get k equals to 1. So just first of all, find the value of power of matrix and then use in the matrix equation. Then you can get particular values. Okay. Now question 18. Here A equals to this and I is the identity matrix of order 2, and show that this here also we have to prove that okay. Question 18. Given A equals to, a matrix is given, what? 0 minus tan alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2 0. So 0, 0, tan alpha by 2. Alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. This is given. 2 by 2 matrix. And also I is given 1, 1, 0, 0. 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, these are given. And we have to show that. We have to show that what? I plus A, matrix plus matrix, equals to I minus A. I minus A into a matrix cos alpha, sin alpha, here minus sign is this. Just we have to show that. Yes. So here processor is same as find left hand side and right hand side. You can get same result as I plus A, what? 1, 0, 0, 1 plus A is this 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 0. So this is equals to what? 1 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 1. Just after adding we can get like this. Similarly you can get this value by solving this. I minus A, what will be the value of I minus A? I minus A. So just put I and put A this, or we can write like this bracket also here, matrix subtraction, this minus this, and also given matrix. Just do it. Okay, so here after subtracting this two matrix, just like this minus this, and using this matrix, just multiply it and convert 10 to sin by cos, sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, and use the formula of sin A plus B, cos A plus B. You can get the result. Okay. Just do it from yourself. Okay. Just use this two 1 0 0 1 0 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 and calculate it. Okay, what we will get here? 1 10 alpha by 2 here minus 10 alpha by 2 and 1 this and get this matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha just cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha and do this multiplication. Just multiply it and write 10 alpha by 2 as sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 and then take LCM and use sin A plus B and sin A minus B formula. Then you can get same value 1 10 alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2 1. Okay, so these two value will be same, then you can verify. Clear? So this is simple questions, just multiply it, convert 10 alpha and sin 10 in sin and cos form and then taking LCM and using sin alpha A plus B and cos A plus B formula, then you can get a result. So do it. Okay. Now question 19. So question 19 is verbal questions, just we have to represent data in matrix form here. We will try to, and then here what is question? A trust fund rupees 30,000 that must be invested into different types of bonds. First bond pay 5% interest, second bond 7% interest. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide 30,000 among the two types of bonds if trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of 1800 and 20,000. So here, so very simple, just we have to represent as matrix multiplication method. Okay, so we have to divide 30,000, just 30,000 have to invest in two bonds. So let investment in first bond is X rupees. Then investment in second bond will be what? 30,000 minus X rupees. Clear? Because 30,000 have to invest it. So in first bond X rupees invest, and then second bond, investment in second bond will be okay. So let investment in first bond is this. Then we have to represent it 5% interest first bond and second bond 7% interest. So just multiplying, matrix multiplication we have to use. So we can represent how these two quantity as row matrix. X 30,000 minus X as a row matrix 1 by 2, and 5% and 7% can be written in a column matrix. Then X into 5%, this into 7%, total interest will be according to first question. Then this first investment in bonds. Investment in bonds. Okay, investment in bonds we can write. These are the investment in row matrix, and interest per bond. Interest rate. Okay, so here annual interest rate. Interest rate. Just you can write interest rate per bond. You can write in column matrix. And total amount. Okay. Interest. In first case, how many? 1800. So 1800. We can use this. So this into this is equals to this. Just we can solve it now. Okay, this into this, that is X into 5%, row column, plus 30,000 into 30,000 minus X into 7% is equals to 1800. Okay, so 30,000 minus X into 7% equal to 1800. Just you have to solve it now. What? 5x upon 100 plus 30,000 minus X into 7 upon 100 equals to 1800. Just you can solve it. Okay. So after solving, just we can get what? 5x plus 21, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 7x equals to 18, and 7x minus 5x minus 2x is equals to 18, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 21, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equals to minus 2x equals to what? 18. 3 minus. So x equals to 15,000. Okay. X equals to 15,000. So investment in first bond is 15,000. Thus, investment in first bond is 15,000, and in second bond is minus 15,000 equals to 15,000. Okay, both are 15,000 because first x 15,000, then 30,000 minus 15,000, 30,000, 15,000. So first one and second one 15,000, 15,000. Okay. Similarly, in the case of interest 2000, just you can use here 2000 for the second case. For second case, just you can use here what? 2000. And you can calculate it just like this 2000 here, and same thing is here 2000. So here just we will get like this. Clear? And solve it. Here 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just we will get what? Minus 21. So 10,000. 2 lakh 10,000. So 10,000 is this. Then x equals to what? Minus 5,000. Just 2,000 use for second case. Okay, 5,000. So 5,000 is this, and then this will be 5,000 means 25,000. 5,000 and 25,000. 25,000. Okay. Just matrix notation will be this. Now, question 20. A bookshop of a particular school of 10. So here we can also see that just we have to use matrix multiplication rule here also. So here just we can represent it in a very simple way, that what is the question? 20. Question 20. A bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books, 10 dozen economics books. So that just number of books we can represent. Okay. So here we can represent the given information as follows. We can represent the given information as follows. Just number of books, okay, and their selling price 80, 60, 40 each respectively. So here number of books, just what books? In dozen: chemistry, physics, economics. So chemistry, physics, economics. So how many books? Dozens. 10, 8, 10. So this is 10, 8, 10. So we can write this as a row matrix. Okay. And selling price. Selling price per book. Just we can write like this, column matrix. Okay. So what? 80, 60, 40. 80, 60, 40. This is multiplication. And equals to, we can write what? We have to find the total amount bookshop will receive from selling all the books using matrix algebra. So just we can use this row matrix for representing these books quantity and per books. What? Per book. Here 10 dozen chemistry books. So just we have to write how many books are there per book. So here dozen. Dozen means 10 into 12. 1 dozen 12. So 120 and 12 96. And here also 120. 10 into 20. So 120 96 120. This is the representation. And total amount we receive. Total amount received. Suppose x. Then just use multiplication rule. 120 into 80 plus 96 into per book 60 plus 120 into 40 multiplication row by column. So this is equals to single quantity like this. Just we can calculate it. Okay. So calculate it what? You can write like this. So x equals to what? Total amount. Total amount. What will be the total amount? Just 48,57609,600. Just 20160. 20160. Main thing is what? Representation. We can use row matrix, column matrix, multiply it, gives total amount. Okay, so this is the question 20. Now there are two objective questions 21 and 22. Okay, so 21 and 22 objective questions, just you have to discuss about and you can find the answer of it. You can give the logic here. The first question is, that is 21. Here given x, y, z and w, p are matrices of order. Different type of orders are given here. Okay, so 21 and 22. Just we have to give here given x, y, z, w, p, 2 by n, 3 by k, 2 by n, 3 by k, z is 2 by p, w, n by 3 and p by k. This type of matrices are given. Just first question. Okay, first question is what? The restriction on n, k and p. N, k and p show that py plus wy. Py plus wy. Py plus wy will be defined. What is the restriction? For defining this, just we know its order and its order should be equal because addition. And for multiplication, py, restriction on n, k and p here. So here see that for py, just see here p what? P into order of p by k and y order of 3 by k. Just for defining py, we see that this should be equal. So k equals to 3. For defining py, k equals to 3. And for defining wy w what? n by 3 and y 3 by k. So these two are equal. Okay, this is defined. And its order is what? K equal to 3. For defining this py, k equal to 3. First value. And py, order of py will be what? Py, order. P into k, p by k. P by k. And its order 3 3 equal. So wy order what? N by k. For adding, defining these two, because this order of these two must be equal. So here k, so p equal n. So p equal n and k equal 3. It is given in which option? P equals to n, k equals to 3. A is correct answer. A is correct. For defining this, k equal to 3 and its order will be p by k. It is defined n by k. This two order must be equal. So k and p equivalent. So this is given in option A. Option A is right. 21 questions. Now 22. For 22, what is the question 22? If n equals to p, here, if n equals to p, n equals to p is given. Then the order of the matrix 7x minus 5z. Then the order of 7x minus 5z. 7x minus 5z. 7x minus 5z. We know that subtraction or addition does not change order of the matrix. For subtraction or addition does not change the order of the resultant matrix. So its order x 2 by n, its order is 2 by n, and its order is z 2 by p. 2 by p. Here n equals to p. N equals to p. N equals to p. So what is the option? That is, its order will be what? Order does not change. Because here n equals to p, that is the n and p both are equal. So 2 by n, 2 by p means same. So it is defined, and of order, which order will be 2 by n or 2 by p? N equals to p, 2 by n or 2 by p. So option is 2 by B option is correct. B option is correct. Because in B it is given that 2 by n order. 2 by n or 2 by p, same thing, because n equals to p. And order does not change. So its order is 2 by n. So its finally order is 2 by n. That is given in option B. So B option is correct. So now complete the exercise 3.2. Just remember that all the examples are also important. So do examples also in your copy and also complete this exercise 3.2 and send me some questions for your attendance. Okay.